champions, so your KCET examination is finally over and your PU results are also out, and now many of you might be curious to know that what will be your rank, right? So in this video I'll be discussing what all ranks you will be getting if your KCET rank is this much, if your PU board rank is this much, so that I'll be discussing. And a very important thing is I will also be telling you the top colleges that you can get in your branch, in your particular rank range. Okay, so let's get started here. So as I told you in this video, first we'll be discussing about your rank, then the top branches and the top colleges rank wise. Okay, so moving to the first, rank versus marks, you can have a proper analysis here. If you're getting 290 plus and 135 plus in KCET, then around 1000 rank you will get. Below 1000 rank, 282 to 290 and 120 you will get 3000, 270 to 280 and 100 plus you will get 5000, 260 to 270, 90 plus 10,000, and 250 to 216, 80 plus around 25,000, and 240 to 250, 70 plus around 50,000. Okay, but students, let me tell you here that if you want to get into very good colleges where actually placements happens, okay, there are so many colleges, almost 250 plus colleges are there under KCET, and you can get admission up to 1 lakh also. But if you really want to get a good college where after 4 years you will be getting placement, then this should be your rank, that is up below 15, like in between 10k to 15k. If you are getting colleges, if you are getting rank, then definitely you will get a good college, and that college, that 4 years you will be studying there will be worthy because you can get a good placement as well. Okay, and below that, if you are going 20,000, 25,000, you will be getting some colleges where the placement, where the faculties, where the facilities are not good. So definitely we should target up to this rank. Okay. Now, what are the top branches? There are many branches, but if you want a placement, then definitely you should focus on these branches. First is computer science and its sister branches. There are so many sister branches in computer science. I have taken few of them: computer science, data science, computer science AI, CS AIML, CS BS. You can also have information science engineering. Okay, so these all are sister branches of computer science, and in electronics you have EC and EE. Okay, so there are other branches also, but EC is something where you can get good good placement. Okay, now moving to the rank wise colleges, so I'll be telling you the cutoff. You can take the screenshots here. So rank 1 to 5000, if you're getting the first college, that obviously it is your RV College of Engineering, where you can see computer science cutoff is 290 and all other cutoff you can see here. Next, coming to BMS, the second one, here you can see the computer science cutoff is 2166, and for others you can take a screenshot whichever branch you want. Next, if I see PES University in computer sciences are 1247, so that is also a good branch here. And next, coming to MSRIT College of Engineering, so here in computer science you can see at 1254 you can get, this is there. Next, SJCE College, computer science around 4000 rank, you will get this college. And then coming to JSS at 474, 4734 you can get information science. And then moving towards VS University of Vishweswaraya College of Engineering, so around computer science you can get at 3649. Next, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, at around 4000 you will get computer science. And then coming to next set of rank, that is 5000 to 10,000, if your rank is there, what all colleges you can get. So first of all, you can have computer science, let me see where it is, yes, at 6798, SIT Tumkur, a very good college situated in Tumkur, you can get there. Next, coming to NMIT, that is Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, here you can find computer science, just a minute, yes, at 9819. Okay, next we have New Horizon College of Engineering, so here you can get computer science at around 9034. That's also a very good college. Next, we have RNS College of Engineering, here you can get at around 8222. And next, if I see Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, here at around 9059 you can get computer science. And next, you can also see the placement package here, 25 LPA in 2023, average package was 7 LPA. So these were the previous year records that is available in different websites. Next, coming to NIE Mysore, so here we have in information science 9025. Okay, and then we have in PES University you can get at around 5,600, okay, and the 52 LPA was the highest packages 2024, and in 8 LPA was the average packages 2023, okay. And then we have BMS College also, Institute of Technology, that is at 6,262, okay. Then we have here Bangalore Institute of Technology. Here also you can see that you can get computer science at around 6,708. Next we have rank 10,000 to 20,000. So not many colleges, good colleges are there in this rank. So I'll be telling you, one is CMR Institute of Technology. Here you can see at 11,599 you will get, and the next one is for, that is Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management. So here you can see that computer science was around 16,000 you will get in round 1, and in round 2 the closing rank was around 20,802, okay. And next we have KLE Technological University. So it was on 22,000 you will get computer science according to 2024 cutoff, okay. Next we have Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwar College of Engineering. Here you will get computer science at around 10,164, okay. And the package was also, highest package was 43.94 LPA, and the average package was 6.59 LPA, okay. So students, now you see that if your rank is above 20,000, there are very less chances of getting very good colleges where you have good placement, good facilities, good education and like that, right? So if you are not getting in this rank, okay, so it is not wise to take some colleges which is actually not worthy. Rather, now you should focus on your next exam, that is COMEDK, okay. If your KCET rank is not coming in between these ranks and you are not getting a good college, so it is my sincere suggestion and recommendation, so please write COMEDK and prepare COMEDK seriously so that you can get into the top colleges of COMEDK, okay. So now top colleges of Karnataka. So if you want to prepare for COMEDK seriously, we are there for you, okay. We have launched our online crash course, 21-day program, a completely online crash course, and everything will be done holistically, and serious preparation will be done for your COMEDK. In this crash course, it is just at ₹1,999. This is very affordable price, my dear children, for your career. And now in this you will be getting 12 mock tests, complete syllabus coverage for 11th and 12th, 5 years of PYQs, live doubt solving sessions, class notes and recorded videos, okay. So all this will be available, live classes will also be there, doubt solving will be there. So we will have a proper training and preparation and coaching for COMEDK. So please do not waste this next 20 to 30 days that you are left for your COMEDK. Use it wisely with us, invest in us, and make your success, make your future secure, okay. So that was the point. So I have given you an idea of your rank. So please calculate your rank today, and just imagine that if you are getting some, if you are not getting between 15,000 rank, and if you are getting 50-60,000, it is not worth, because you won't get a good college. So that is why it is very important that at this point of time you change your mind and start preparing for COMEDK, because we have been producing results in COMEDK for many years, and we are expertise in this. We can really help you, okay. So that was all about this video, students, and I hope this was helpful. So please just put down your comments if you have any doubt regarding rank and all. We will be answering to all of this, okay. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, and all the very best.